What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send snaps from your camera roll as a normal snap. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly do this? Well, this one's pretty easy. First things first, you want to open up Snapchat here and basically access your account. Now in here, what we need to do is we want to access a very specific mode. So go ahead and click on the drop or the arrow pointing down at the top right of your screen. So if you click on it, you now have the option to access director mode here. Go ahead and click on it. Now in director mode, what you need to do is you want to choose the import media option that you see at the very bottom here, and just choose the image that you want to add here. So for example, this one, and click on the check at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here, just click on preview at the bottom right here, and just click on send to at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here, choose where or who you want to send this. So in this case, once you've selected that, click on the send button at the bottom right in order for you to send it. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.